Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about collagen and why it is important for ourselves and from which products can we get the same. So according to you, what is collagen? Well, let me just explain the same to you. So collagen is basically a protein which is responsible for your skin elasticity or stretchiness. As we age, the collagen breaks down and it becomes very difficult for our body to produce more collagen by itself. So in short, collagen is basically responsible for a healthy, tightened and glowing skin. So anybody who is above 25 years of age, they should start taking collagen as an anti-aging supplement in order to keep their skin healthy. So as you must all be knowing that I'm a mother of 2 daughters, and most of the times ask me the secret behind my glowing skin and my healthy hair, and I always recommend everyone to use some sort of a supplement in order to supplement and complement your skin and your hair. And recently I've started consuming collagen powders as well. Since the previous collagen powder was over, so I was searching for a new brand to try, and since I've heard more about plant-based ingredients, so I was looking something which would be having plant-based ingredients in it, and it would be whole food, it would be made up of whole food ingredient. So my search actually stopped when I found Harveygo's collagen builder. So let's just talk about the collagen builder by Harveygo, which I've recently started consuming. Now this comes in this packaging. It is of 250 grams. It is made with plant-based whole food ingredient for youthful and glowing skin. Now why plant-based ingredients? Basically plant-based ingredients are better absorbed by the body, therefore they provide better results. This particular collagen builder helps in maintaining healthy level of collagen, keratin and elastic 3 proteins that promote body's natural glow. Now how you have to use this particular powder is you just have to mix 1 scoop with 200 milliliter of water, or let's say 1 glass of water, and you have to shake well, or let's say stir it well using a spoon, and then you have to drink it. Now you can also mix this particular powder in any of the smoothie or the juice which you prefer to drink. Well, apart from the plant-based ingredient, this particular collagen builder has biotin in it, it has retinol, it has pro-collagen blend, it has vitamin C, it has EPA and DHA. All of these are very, very essential for a very glowing and youthful skin, for good hair and good nails. You can just go and Google about all these ingredients and you will see that how retinol, collagen, keratin, EPA, DHAs and vitamin C are good and mostly required by our skin, by hair, and to just make yourself look younger. So all these ingredients are very, very important for the same, and all these are present in this particular collagen builder. So if you want to see good results, you have to use this for at least 3 months, and you have to keep this out of the reach of the children, and you have to consume it daily, once in a day. 1 scoop per day is sufficient according to me, and most importantly is that this product has no side effect because it is made up of plant-based ingredients. You can order Harveygo collagen builder from any of the e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart, or even you can ping them at their Instagram page and they'll get back to you. I have bought it from Amazon at a great discount. You can also buy it for yourself. So what are you waiting for? I highly recommend this product. Go try it out yourself, see the visible results on your body, on your skin, on your hair, and give a very positive feedback to Harveygo collagen builder.